In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a simple Eisenhower matrix in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use template that helps you sort tasks by urgency and importance, so you can focus on what truly matters and stop getting overwhelmed by busy work. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the navigation options appear. We'll be grabbing a template rather than building from scratch, which keeps things fast and consistent. Next, click the Marketplace, sometimes referred to as the Template Gallery. This is where Notion and the community publish ready-made setups for common workflows. It's the quickest way to get a solid structure without reinventing the wheel. In the search bar, type Eisenhower. The Eisenhower matrix is a classic decision-making tool that divides tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Searching for Eisenhower will surface templates designed around that framework. If you see multiple options, glance at the previews to find one that looks simple and uncluttered, especially if you're just getting started. Select the template that fits your style. Click into it to open the detail page and skim the overview so you know what's included. When you're ready, click it and then click Add. This will copy the template into your workspace and create a page you can start using immediately. Wait for the page to finish duplicating so all the views and properties transfer over correctly. Once added, feel free to customize everything. Start by renaming the page to something meaningful, like Eisenhower Matrix or Today's Priorities, so it's easy to find later. Review the 4 quadrants and adjust the labels if needed to match your wording. If the template uses a database, open the properties and tailor them. Keep priority, due date, and status, for example, and remove anything you don't need. You can color code the quadrants for visual clarity, add icons or a cover image for a friendly touch, and tweak filters so each view shows only the tasks that belong in that quadrant. Add a few sample tasks to test how items move between views. If you want quick access, drag the page into your sidebar favorites. Finally, tidy up any instructions built into the template so your workspace stays clean and focused. That's it. You've created a simple Eisenhower matrix in Notion, added it to your workspace, and customized it so it reflects how you actually work. Now you can start sorting tasks and making better decisions at a glance.